Hello everyone, it's Oshe here. Welcome back to my page. In today's video, we're gonna be making fried rice and turkey. There's no Nigerian fried rice without turkey. Nigerians, we like our fried rice with turkey, right? So at this point, the turkey is so freezing, so I decided to dissolve it or to defrost it with warm water. So I just finished defrosting it now. I took it to my gas. At this point, I run out of salt and curry, so I decided to fill my can with salt and curry to put it back at where I took it from. So I'm adding some seasoning to my turkey so I can boil it before drying it. Adding some seasoning cube. So I will add in my curry powder. So I will add in my ginger powder as well. Then I will add in dry onions and some rosemary thyme. So, and I'll add some pepper because I want the turkey to be spicy. So put in my water as well. So here, I don't have gizzard or liver. So I decided to use sausage as an option. I don't know, many people don't like sausage in fried rice, but since I don't have gizzard or liver, so I will use sausage. And here I'm slicing my carrots because I like a lot of veggies in my fried rice. I want the fried rice to be, as in to have different type of veggies and a lot, so that if I'm eating the fried rice, I can be seeing the veggies inside. Stirring up my turkey now is almost ready, so just checking it as if it's ready. So here are the veggies I'm going to be using for the fried rice for today. So I'm going to be adding in chicken. I diced the chicken into pieces, so I want to put my turkey into my air fryer to allow it to dry, because I don't like using groundnut oil to fry the turkey, so I like to dry it because of I don't want to get too much fat. So I like to sieve my meat stock before using. I don't want to see all this blood, all this cooked blood in it, so I like to save everything out so it will be neat before I will use it for my fried rice. At this point, I'm adding the boiled rice into the stock, the meat stock, so to allow it to cook. And I will add some salt, curry powder, a little, turmeric, a little bit of turmeric. Many people don't like it, but I like it because I like the color it will give. So at this point, I just put the dice. Let me not go and bite my dice turkey. Oh, sorry, diced chicken into the pot. Then I'll add some green beans. I want it to cook before I'll start adding the rest things inside, because I don't want my carrot to be too cooked, and the green pepperoni, I don't want it to be too cooked as well. So adding some seasoning, and I will add some salt as well. So I will stir it very well to allow it to cook or to allow it to fry for a bit before I'll start frying it as fried rice. So here I just add some veggies to my pot. Then I'll add some fried rice. They say it's fried rice, right? It's not cooked rice, but it's fried rice or boiled rice. So I need to fry it with my pan to allow it to fry very well, and it will make it not to spoil on time if it's much, because I make much fried rice because I like fried rice a lot, so I don't want it to get bad on time. So I will put it in my pan and fry it and allow it to dry before I will put it in my bowl. So I will just be stirring it till it's dry. Not dry, but a little bit dry before I turn it into my bowl. So here is the outcome. I just finished making my fried rice now. It's a lot. I said it's a lot. So I will eat and eat and eat. So thanks guys for watching this video. Follow my page so that you see more content of mine. See you guys on my next video.